everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here with another makeup video. I may look different because I have covered my hair with this scarf. I've curled my hair. We all will see at the end the result of the curl. So let's dig into the video. I have applied a moisturizer evenly. Firstly, I will do my eyebrows. So if you want a detailed video on this or any other makeup application, then you can comment down. I'm applying the concealer all over my eyes. Concealer helps to make color of an eyeshadow more visible and also helps in blending. I'm applying this tape so that I can make a clean eyeshadow or eye look. If you are loving my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please do like. I will be posting more videos related to makeup. I'm also a learner, so let's grow together, learn together. You can comment down the feedback, what you feel about the video, or what are the things that I need to improve. I'm applying the mascara. I'm applying the primer. It helps to cover the pores and helps foundation to blend. Blending the foundation with my brush. I'm applying a concealer under my eyes. It helps to remove the dark circles. After setting my concealer with the powder, I'm applying this white kajal and the same eyeshadow under my eyes. I'm applying blush, highlighter on the cheeks, applying a lipstick, have a look how the curl has turned out. Wow, look at the curl, it's beautiful. So it turned out like this. So this is the final look.